Hello, my name's Andrea. I am Twisted Creations Home and Bath, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing another body spray in the Winter Wonderland theme. Today's body spray scent is Winter Snowdrop. So let's go ahead and get started. Our ingredients are distilled water, which is what I've been using the whole time, witch hazel, glycerin, fragrance, preservative, and polysorbate as we need it for oily fragrances and colors. We're going to use Forget-Me-Not colorant today, water soluble. It's pretty. We heat this up for 20 seconds, and in the meantime we will get our glycerin and preservative mixed together. We're using potassium sorbate granules. This is considered a natural preservative. We'll cut it out. This is our pre-mix of Snowdrop. I'm going to go ahead and add the polysorbate into it this time because I do have colorant and it's just safer this way. This way the colorant doesn't stain your clothes or you. It just helps it mix up the water better. You see, there's still granules at the bottom. We'll mix until it's all fully mixed in. 2 left. As you can see, no granules left. As you can see, it is completely mixed in and ready to go. Yes, I am the messiest crafter I know. I can't manage to pour anything to save my life. That's 3 videos now of me spilling the body spray. Part of why I've prolonged showing you for so long. Okay, and there you have it. Winter Snowdrop. Doesn't quite match the soap, but can't add the mica to there to make it shimmer like this one does. Slight shimmer there that you can't see maybe on camera. But there you go. And until next time, have a great day.